Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a fuel filter on a Ram 2500 diesel. Before starting, always prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate gloves and eye protection. You will need a 28mm socket, a torque wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your engine is cool to the touch. Remember, your Ram diesel has two fuel filters, one in the engine bay and another mounted on the frame near the rear axle. Knowing their locations is your first step. Now let's drain the fuel. Position a drain pan directly under the engine bay fuel filter housing. Locate the yellow drain cap on the bottom of this housing and turn it about a quarter turn to allow the fuel to drain out. For the rear filter, you will need to disconnect the water and fuel sensor and then carefully unscrew the filter to drain its contents into another clean container. Ensure both filters are completely drained to minimize spills during removal. With the fuel drained, it's time for replacement. Use your 28mm socket to carefully remove the engine bay filter cap, then extract the old cartridge. For the rear filter, simply spin off the entire assembly. Before installing the new filters, lubricate the new O-rings with a small amount of fresh diesel fuel to ensure a proper seal. Insert the new filter cartridges, making sure they are seated correctly, and then hand tighten both filter caps. After installing the new filters, tighten the engine bay fuel filter cap to a maximum of 25 foot-pounds. Now, it's crucial to prime the fuel system. Turn your ignition to the run position for about 15 seconds, then turn it off for 5 seconds. Repeat this cycle at least 6 to 7 times to allow the fuel pump to fill the new filters and purge air. Finally, start your engine, carefully check for any leaks, and reset your fuel filter life indicator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.